Okay, welcome back. It is day 140 of doing this every single day until I get a job. Um, so, presentation was today for computer architecture. It went okay. Um, so apparently I do have another demo actually on the 30th for the complete everything like done. Um, and uh, so I mean, still have a lot to do. There's so many people that had like the benchmarks that are supposed to be done at the end of the semester, like, and they showed them today, like matrix multiplication. Like these people were like running thousands of lines of like matrix multiplications and like comparing how fast it ran, and I was showing like 10 line programs of branching and like ALU operations, and I'm like, I mean, then again, there were other teams that were doing that exact same thing as us, but like it was like half and half. So you know, feel like I definitely want this last demo to be impressive. So it's probably going to be more computer architecture work because I thought after today it was pretty much done. Um, with like showing I thought this was the last demo, um, but it's not. So still have quite a bit of work to do. I stayed up all night last night, by the way. Literally did not sleep last night. Came back and slept till 4 p.m. So not good, not good at all. Um, so I don't know how I'm gonna recover from this, to be honest. But oh well. Yeah. As for what I did today, it was just that. Then I slept, and then I did linear algebra because I had something due at midnight tonight, so I finished that. And then I did this leak code behind you, which the most inefficient thing you're ever gonna see. I should have known to do. I look in the solution at the end, and it's something I did in Advent of Code in December, where it's like you just lay out like which way you step. So it'd be uh, like to climb the y-axis, it's like you don't move your column, and then you move your row by -1. So the coordinate for that is because it goes column by no row by column, so it would be -1 0 or whatever, and so you keep referencing that instead of what I was doing, and you can just loop through those. You can just compact what I did. My general idea was fine, but yeah, I just like I did the same thing on Advent of Code, so I probably should learn how to traverse through a matrix a little more efficiently instead of writing out literally the same thing, just changing direction every time, make it a lot more compact. So that's all I did for coding today. As for that personal project I said I was going to start this weekend, I don't know now that computer architecture kind of has still some wind in its sails. So I may um, think of some. If I think of something really nice, then I guess I'll start it. But like, I don't know. Um, Going home this weekend, by the way, tomorrow morning, whenever I wake up, if that is the morning, um, going home. So I'll be recording from there. But yeah, I mean that's basically all I have for today. I'm not going to do any more coding today. I spent all night last night just working on finalizing the project. Oh, I guess I could have showed you that as well, the final kind of result. But I mean, if you look at the last video, it's not too different, at least like the UI. But I have some plans with uh, this UI in like making the benchmarks look really nice. Like I have an idea to do like an automatic matrix multiplication that shows the pipeline, like another pipeline display, and it shows both the matrices, and then it like highlights what things are getting multiplied, and then it like shows the cycle count automatically. I think that could be cool, but it's a lot of work. So, but yeah, okay, that is all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow from where it all started at my home. Not like I've gone anywhere, uh, career wise, but where I started the series. So, okay, anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.